Are you looking to improve your English speaking skills? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips to help you become a more confident and fluent English speaker. Tip number 1. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English by watching movies, reading books, and listening to music in English. This exposure will help you become familiar with the rhythm, pronunciation, and vocabulary of the language. Tip number 2. Practice speaking every day. Make it a habit to speak in English as much as possible. Whether you're talking to yourself, describing your daily activities, or engaging in conversations with English-speaking friends or language exchange partners, consistent practice is key to improvement. Tip number 3. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases regularly. Read books, newspapers, or online articles in English. Create flashcards or use vocabulary apps to memorize and review words. Practice using these words in your conversations to reinforce your learning. Tip number 4. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to how native English speakers pronounce words. Practice speaking aloud, imitating their pronunciation and intonation. You can also listen to podcasts or watch YouTube videos that specifically focus on improving English pronunciation. Tip number 5. Work on your grammar. Develop a solid understanding of English grammar rules. Study grammar textbooks or use online resources to learn and practice different grammar concepts. Using correct grammar while speaking will help you communicate more effectively. Tip number 6. Record and listen to yourself. Use a voice recorder or smartphone to record yourself speaking in English. Play it back and listen for areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation, fluency, or grammar. This self-evaluation will help you identify areas that need more practice. Tip number 7. Seek feedback. Find a language partner, tutor, or teacher who can provide constructive feedback on your spoken English. They can point out any mistakes you make and suggest areas for improvement. This feedback will help you identify your weaknesses and work on them. Tip number 8. Practice speaking in different situations. Simulate real-life scenarios where you would use English, such as ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, or making phone calls. Practice these situations to build confidence and fluency in specific contexts. Tip number 9. Join English-speaking communities. Engage with native English speakers or other English learners through online forums, social media groups, or language exchange platforms. Interacting with them will expose you to different accents, expressions, and cultural nuances. Tip number 10. Be patient and persistent. Improving your spoken English takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and maintain a positive mindset throughout your language learning journey. Remember, practice and exposure to the language are key to improving your spoken English. So keep challenging yourself, embrace your mistakes as part of the learning process, and before you know it, you'll become a confident and fluent English speaker. Best of luck on your journey.